Is insurance protection or profit? For me, it's both. Kasi like for us, na kumukuha ng insurance, it's all about protection. Like a safety net, para hindi batas ang bulsa natin kapag may unexpected na nangyari, like accident, loss, or illness. Pero, on the side of the companies, business yan. Kaya definitely, profit din. Ginagamit nila yung premiums natin para mag-invest at kumita, pero in exchange, sila yung kasalo sa financial risk mo. So, it's a fair trade. Binabayaran mo sila para sa peace of mind mo. May kumikita sila habang minamanage yung risk mo. So, meaning, protection ang habol mo, pero profit ang nagpapatakbo sa sistema.